What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video we are going to talk about affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And as you see, I have already added this particular pin on my Pinterest account. Basically, I was doing certain research and I saw that people are interested to know what exactly is and how can you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Well, the good news is after the recent update, Pinterest has actually removed the ban from adding the affiliate links on your Pinterest account. So basically, now you can go ahead and add as many Pinterest pins or affiliate links on your Pinterest account as you want. What I have done is I have created certain video pins. Basically, depending on the partner, depending on the program that you're a part of, there are certain terms and conditions that you need to follow based on where you're going to promote your affiliate links. So as you see on the screen right now, this one is for Moosend. Moosend doesn't have basically this permissions that you require. You can actually create your own creatives and share it on any social network platform as you want. It may be Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Instagram doesn't actually give that link part, but however, Instagram or Pinterest, for a matter of fact. Another part being, so what I have done is basically I've created the certain things about the best features of Moosend, and I've added them in a video format just to add that glance so people can actually go ahead and understand what exactly Moosend does. The second platform over here I have is Shortzer. Now Shortzer has a different terms and conditions compared to Moosend. Shortzer doesn't want the creators to go ahead and create their own content. They just want the creatives that they have actually provided for the creators to go ahead and start sharing with their audience. So that's the reason I've just added this particular image on this plain background and just whatever you can call it, like just an effect to just pop out just to get those eyeballs. All being said, I don't know why people waste so much of time for like some 16 to 20 minutes on a Pinterest affiliate marketing video, but I thought this would be something which should be short because it doesn't require a lot of knowledge. It's basically adding this video pin over here. What I'm going to do is, I'm just to make you understand, I'm again going to add that. You can either add the pin with this particular URL, but the problem with the URL is basically that you are, a lot of times the images don't get fetched basically which are there on the URL. So I would rather suggest you to go ahead and create a pin yourself if you have time. If you don't have time, that's a different case. Like for example, this is my partner stack dashboard, and yeah, so Shortzer, this is the Shortzer program. There are links over here. I'm just gonna go on the back end and just copy this particular link. I'm just making you understand. For example, what I mean to say about that is, if I just copy paste this particular link here, ho jaye yaar, and search for this particular term. So as you see, loading images from Shortzer, whatever. So this is what I'm getting. For example, I just select that particular text, access of 72 million royalty free images starting at just rupees 10 per month. That's something which the people are going to see when they see my pin. But I definitely don't want them to see that, because that is something which is definitely not eye striking, and the probability automatically decreases that someone is going to click on my pin. Rather, what I will do is I will go ahead and add a particular pin that I have made. Spark post. By the way, if you don't know how to create this kind of pins, I have made a different tutorial for that. You can go ahead and check out the playlist section. You will find some helpful tools. I hope at least they are helpful. Okay, 1 second. I'm not getting that particular creative. Okay, let's go for this one. Yeah. So I'm adding this particular Shortzer whatever pin. Clicking on the next. This is what exactly you need to do. There is just one more thing that you need to keep in mind. Loading. Click on this next button. Give your pin a title. Now while adding a title, this is something which I have noticed by uploading so many pins on Pinterest, that say for example on YouTube, there's a query that's going to help you. For example, how to search for stock images, or how to do stock photography, or how to do digital marketing. This is called as a query. These kind of queries are going to work well when you add the the queries in the title of a YouTube video, wherein for Pinterest, what I have noticed is adding the search terms or the keywords, which helps much more better. For instance, I'm going to add a title, free stock images for 2021, or free stock images website for 2021. This is one thing that I have noticed. You can just go ahead and check it as per your thing, but this is what I have noticed, that whenever I added a title which was like a search term rather than a query, it was more beneficial for my pins. Another thing what I want to show you is going on keysearch.co. There is a different tool on keysearch.co, which is basically a keyword, Pinterest keyword tool. As you can see over here, it's a Pinterest keyword tool. So anytime you are going to schedule a particular pin or you're going to post a particular pin, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and search for that particular term, as to check how many people are searching for that term on Pinterest. For example, I am going to search here free stock images, and I'm gonna search for that particular term, just to understand how many people are specifically looking for this particular keyword or related keyword to this on Pinterest. So as you see, free stock images, there are 40,500 searches which have happened for this month. There is free stock images for commercial use, there is 1,600 searches that have happened. Also, this website gives you a way of checking for the competition, but I have not signed in for the website, so I generally don't think that is required, because honestly मैं जैसे ऐड कर रहा वैसे it is helping me out, so I don't think that is something which is required. So you can probably go ahead and, depending on the search volume of the keywords, you can pick up, and I would highly recommend you to go ahead and do that. Pick up some keywords from here. It's simple. Just click on this, just select this portion here, just copy, go back to your description section, and you need to add all this in description. Okay, putting a comma, you need to separate those keywords with the comma. Another important part, it's a very small and minute thing, but this is something which is really important while you add an affiliate link on any particular social network platform, may it be LinkedIn, may it be Tumblr, may it be Pinterest, may it be Twitter. You need to enter a hashtag that is related to that particular ad or promotion. For example, you can add a particular hashtag as hashtag ad, hashtag advertising, hashtag affiliate, hashtag affiliate marketing. So these are certain hashtags that's going to tell your users that this particular link is an affiliate link. The ones who have done the affiliate marketing would be knowing this, but for the ones who are new, so basically whenever you share your affiliate links on any particular social network platforms, you need to give that affiliate disclosure stating that the links that you are actually recommending are your own affiliate links, and at no additional cost to the user, that particular vendor or that particular brand or that particular provider is going to share some commission with you in order for you to do that promotion with that particular user. So this hashtag, adding hashtag affiliate, hashtag ad, hashtag affiliate marketing, I know the spelling is wrong, but however, this is basically an indication of telling people that this is my affiliate link, and this is going to act like an affiliate disclosure on Pinterest, and it also tells the Pinterest system that this link, the link which is present in this particular pin, is an affiliate link. So these are the two things that I have noticed while uploading the affiliate links or any links on pins on Pinterest. The first thing is you need to check the title. Do not add a query, because you can of course go ahead and test as per your own account, but this is something which I have figured out, that adding a particular query doesn't help on Pinterest that much as it helps on YouTube. That's the first thing. The second thing is this hashtag. It matters a lot, because if you do not add a hashtag which is related to ad, advertising, affiliate marketing, then your pin is basically a banned pin. It is basically a bait pin which is not telling the user exactly what are you offering. I do understand that you're offering a particular creative, stating that let's say 10 free marketing tools or something like that. But before the user clicks on that, your pin must have this hashtag. It is really important. And if you go ahead and do a research about Pinterest affiliate marketing, this is something which is going to be very important and very essential. And the final part is you need to add your website, the destination website. So as I showed over here, I have this link which is there, and I'm going to just copy this, paste it over here, and click on this go. The moment you click on go, it's going to take you to that particular page, and you just need to click on add whatever link and paste, and just click on this next button. It's going to get added. But again, I'm telling you again, I am focusing on this part. The Even if you add the title as a query, that's a different case. You can just experiment about that, but do not forget to add this hashtag. It is really important. So I think I've covered everything that I wanted to share. Please do go ahead and join a lot of affiliate programs, as many as you can, to just to give you a few idea. CJ affiliate is one. There is partner dashboard. There is one. Sorry, partner stack is another one. There is Wiglink. Of course, Wiglink is one of the very good affiliate programs. So you can go ahead and join all these networks, and you can start sharing your links on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful, and it was more simpler than what I have seen on YouTube. I don't know why people complicate things on YouTube, but this was something which I just wanted to give you a straightforward video. If you find the video helpful, guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That's about it from my end. Also, make sure to go ahead and check out the 26 free freemium marketing tools that have been mentioned on the comment, the pinned comment, or in the description. The links are in the description. Also, my social media links are in the description. You can always come and say a hi to me on social media. That's about it from my end. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Please let me know in the comment section, did you find this video helpful, so I can start creating more and more of that. I just need some idea from you guys that what exactly is the content that you are liking, and what do you want me to go ahead and create the next thing. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. I'll be back.